Hi, I've got Mary Claire with me. She's the coordinator of the African Voices, and we speak to her. Mary Claire, today's program was really successful. So what do you think of it?
I think it was very successful because we had so many women there present, and we were actually reading the Maputo Protocol and promoting it and enabling women to understand what is the significance of every article to the protection of their rights.
Mary, you are a scientist yourself. Do you think you will be you will be targeting women's education in Africa?
I didn't understand.
Will your target be to educate women in Africa?
Oh, definitely. What we did today is already part of education, making sure that everybody was aware of the article of the Maputo Protocol. Reading through it was already an education. So definitely education is the prime target, because without education you cannot know your rights, and without education you cannot participate as a real citizen in the development of your country or change. It's very difficult. I mean, education is not just about going to university, or it's also about just instruction about life, about how you can deal with situation in your life. So definitely.
Okay. My other question I have, like there's a loss of poverty, hunger, and deprivation in all over in Africa, all over in the world, but especially in Africa. So do you think you will be taking any initiatives, any steps to pressurize the governments and the international bodies to take part in it?
Oh yes, definitely. We'll be lobbying. I mean, this decade, these 10 years will be 10 years of lobbying and of action of our own, and of asking accountability from the African government, UK government, the United Nations on the treaties and policies and all the legal framework that they have signed to protect and advance the rights of women, and also for the participation of women. We will be asking accountability, but we will also be working to inform ourselves, to capacitate other women, and to do some of our own homework and own those legal framework.
Okay. And in the future meetings of the decade 2010 to 2020, will you be asking the participation of the prominent public figures and politicians?
We hope so, because this is a launch. So next year we'll do the evaluation, and also we'll do the monitoring. Every African woman here will be monitoring what is going on in their own country, and then we'll be reporting back. So we will be doing that every year on the 31st of July until 2020. This is going to be a huge campaign where we will be monitoring and evaluating the the Maputo Protocol, as well as the implementation. We want to see action. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Viewers, you have just listened to the views of Mary Claire, the coordinator of the African Voices, and we are quite hopeful that in 10 years' time this organization will have great impact on the overall growth and overall growth in African countries, and especially they will take their steps to help the women and educate the women. So all of our prayers are with them, and thank you, Samina from TV 786.